Opa, this is the Loukoumades video at Palm Desert Greek Festival. Look at that, yeah, beautiful. Oh my God, this is awesome. It's so delicious. It's called Loukoumades. That's a mixture.
Okay, guys.
They're ready to be served. All right. Opa! Is this honey? Honey, honey.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how's it going? Good. How's the booth? Yeah, I haven't been over there yet. I'll be over. You guys having a good day?
Let's see if we can get that. Maybe I get a little reflection here. Beautiful ladies working. You got their parishioners at the Palm Desert Greek Festival. That's the name of the church. I keep my memory. I can. St. George, of course. St. George Palm Desert Greek Festival, Greek Orthodox Church. And all these ladies and everybody here are helping out. Fabulous.
Do you want nuts?
Sure.
You're putting what kind of
Cinnamon.
cinnamon
Yes. Yummy, yummy.
and nuts. Whoa! Got to come over and have some later.
They're good.
I'm sure they are.
Hold you right. There you go.
Fabulous. Very nice. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Ευχαριστώ. Fantastic. Το όνομά σας? Τι είναι το όνομά σας? What's your name?
Pat, Paraskivi.
Παρασκευή.
Yeah. But she's not just Paraskivi, she's every day.
I love this man. He has I love his attitude. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Ευχαριστώ.